what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys saw, I wake up every day around 6 a.m. and so if you're new or you don't really know what's happening in the channel, basically I'm going to be walking you guys through. Basically this is a series just kind of showing you like every day in my life. As you guys know, I do phone flipping full time, so I'm just going to kind of take you guys through every single day, show you how much money I'm making, which phones I'm buying, at what price, and when I actually sell them, to show you the profits that I'm making with all fees and everything accounted for, and which places I'm putting it. I'm literally going to just walk you guys through everything I do in my day in terms of like phone flipping and non-phone flipping. So I just got back from my walk and now I'm going to go take a shower real quick. I'm actually going to post some Craigslist ads first real quick. Just to put those up. I usually put about 2-3 up of those in the morning, and then I don't really know what is in store for me, because I mean every day is a little bit different for me since I don't buy the same 2 phones every single day. So with that said, I'm excited to see what this next week, or I don't really have a time frame for how long this will go, but just kind of show you like me grinding and just kind of pushing the end of the month for phone flipping. So with that said, I'll see you guys in the next clip. One thing I like to do every morning is I'll go to the group. I just accepted 3. There are 3 posts that get approved, or I usually have about 2-3 when I wake up in the morning. I have 1 person to join the group. Let's see if they put an email. Didn't put an email, I'll still accept you, but if you are about to join the group, please answer the questions. They haven't answered them, but whatever, I will approve, and then I basically maybe answer them, like some couple things, and thank you. We had 500 members join the group yesterday, so I'm super excited. And then I just updated my stats for my YouTube, and I currently have 638 subs, so thank you all very much. This is one thing I love to do in the morning, just kind of update all my stats, making sure I know my numbers, and reply to any comments that might see. Alright, so after I pick my Craigslist ads up, put them up, I will go over, just head to OfferUp and see exactly like what messages I have, and just kind of scroll through to bid through some phones. So let's kind of see. So yesterday was actually a huge day for me. I wish I had filmed it, but I didn't end up doing it, and I didn't really think about it because I guess today would have been Monday. So I should have uploaded, but I wanted to start on Monday. But just kind of show you the 2 phones that I bought. I ended up making a lot of money yesterday. This is an iPhone 8 Plus, 64 gigabyte. I didn't know the carrier. He just said it was password locked. As you guys said, I'm trying to try out my new buyer, so I decided to give it a try to give a passcode locked, and I'd only do it on an iPhone X or 8 Plus. But the phone was good condition. I didn't even ask the carrier or anything like that. And so I ended up buying it. So I ended up buying it for $130, which was super cheap, but I know I'd make a good profit off of it based on what my buyer's price was. I already had asked him beforehand going into the negotiations with this guy how much I could get for it, and he said he'd give me like 260, I think, like that. And so I was gonna give it to him, and I got back and I ended up checking on this new carrier website that I have started to use, and ended up showing this was a Verizon phone, one, which will raise the value a little bit, and two, it had a passcode lock on it but no iCloud account. And the guy said he ended up owning storage units, so a phone was left behind in a storage unit that was never claimed. So he just wanted money for it, and so no iCloud was actually on the phone, which is super cool, because if no iCloud's on the phone, you can just reset the phone or do something with it where it just takes off the passcode. And I didn't really want to bother it, so I said, hey, how much you can give me for it? And he said $450. He said I lucked out super hard. So I ended up making, what, $450, $320 solely off this one phone yesterday. And then I was like, I'll probably just chill out for the day, and ended up just scrolling through OfferUp once. And then just picking up, found this iPhone X, it was Sprint, 64 gigabyte, and I ended up buying it for $440, which is super cheap, but for Sprint it's not too bad because I appraised at a bad ESM price. But I got home and everything was good. It was financial eligibility, so I'm trying to sell it for $700 locally, which can be like 260 bucks in profit. So super excited about that. And so overall, like, what is that? $260 profit plus, and I already sold the iPhone X. I'm gonna be shipping that out and showing you guys later today, or the 8 Plus, I sold it. So 260 plus 320. So I ended up making 580, sorry, this might be flipped, but $580 yesterday, just off of these two phones. And so this one I got a little bit lucky on, but I thought I'd share that with you guys. Hey, what is up, guys? Well, as you guys can see, it is currently 11:27 right now. I just got out of Barnes & Noble, and I'll be honest with you guys, phones have been a little bit slow this morning. So with that said, I decided to go to Barnes & Noble, pick up a book. Obviously I have this new camera, so I thought I'd learn a little bit more information about it, see some cool tricks I can do with it, and I've learned a lot. I was there for about an hour, which is pretty cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get some lunch real quick. And I mean, obviously, if you guys, like, I do phone flipping, so like, it's been slow this morning. Not many people, I haven't really found a phone to buy yet. Nobody has come to me with a good offer for a phone that I could make money on. So it doesn't, you guys shouldn't get discouraged. I mean, I do this every single day. Some days I'll buy a phone at 8 a.m. and some days I won't buy it till 5 p.m. in the afternoon. So it really all depends, and I know I should find a phone today. I've never not found at least one, which is about $100 profit for the day for me, which is pretty good, seeing what I do. So I'm gonna go get lunch now, and then I'll bring you guys home. I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet, so it's kind of the struggle with doing this full time. I don't really do many things many other things right now, because I'm trying to focus as much as I can on this channel and on phone flipping. So with that said, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, we're actually in the elevator right now. I got the 2 packages here. And one thing I always carry around is my little bag. It's like my phone bag or whatever. Just in case anybody messages me saying they want to go and meet and buy the phone right now. Therefore, I don't have to come back and actually come to the place and then say I have to meet a little bit later when, if I have the phone right now, I can just go meet them whenever. So let's go ship the phone. What is up, guys? Well, I actually switched to my other camera. It's just a little bit easier to vlog with, so that's what I'm going to be continuing with this camera for the rest of today's vlog. Just a little bit easier. The other one's a little bit bigger, harder to hold, but I should be going out to purchase a phone right now. It should be an iPhone X. I'll show you the messages right here. So this was an iPhone X. She had $0 just to give offers. She didn't really show the phone, but no scratches or cracks, basically brand new, best offer, takes it. So I was like, hey, she's probably willing to take less, so I put 400, 550, I said meet me at 480, she's 500, so 500 is pretty good, 64 gigabyte AT&T, so I'm going to be going there to meet her right now. I'll show you guys if I actually end up picking up the phone. Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back. So I just got back home. I was going to go ship those 2 phones, but I ended up forgetting one of the phones back here, so I had to come back. But I did end up buying that iPhone X, which is really super annoying. Like, I went 20 minutes that way, and I was literally sitting in there. I took the money out, and like, it was literally $500 I took out of my account. And so she ended up saying, oh, I got an offer for $600, and I was like, yo, I'm already here, I'll pay you an extra 20 bucks. So like, and she did one thing that I never seen before somebody do. She was like, hey, like, I mean, like, it's just business, but I mean, this person is trying to buy it for personal use. I know you're going to just buy this and make money off of it, which is a good point, something I didn't really think about before. But on my offer up page, I do have a lot of offers that I probably could mark as sold, but I don't. But it doesn't really, it for sure 100% looks like a reseller page. So something I might start to do is kind of clean that up a little bit, kind of try to make it look like I'm just your average buyer of something on OfferUp. And I don't know if I'm able to pull that off necessarily, but I think that point, even though it was kind of annoying and it was kind of like a snarky little comment, it kind of brought a good point to the fact that we don't always want to make people think that we're just making money off of them, because if I'm in their shoes, I'd want to give it to somebody that's going to use the phone rather than somebody that's just going to make money off of me, knowing that I could potentially just sell the phone higher myself. So I definitely understand where she was coming from, but I ended up having another offer. I was going to meet later today, but I ended up picking it up. I said, yo, can you just meet right now? It is in the general location. It was like 10 minutes away, but it was an iPhone 8 Plus, 64 gigabyte Sprint. I already made my sticky note for it. So this was a finance phone, so therefore it's just bad ESN in my perspective, and therefore I'm going to be selling this for probably, I think it was around 460 bucks on eBay. Taking in all fees and everything like that, I should make pretty much on the dollar about $100 profit on the single phone, which is pretty good for me. It's just a small little pickup, 300 bucks. Like, it didn't cost me too much, and I'm just gonna make 100 bucks profit on it. So I'll let you guys know when I actually go and list this. I don't know if I'll list it today or tomorrow, because I have certain times I like to list my phones. Hey, what is up, guys? So it is currently, it's been a couple hours. It's 5:03 right now, actually, and I'm actually gonna pick up an iPhone X sealed in the box, Verizon bad ESN, and this guy ended up coming to me. It's $580, and I should be able to sell for like $850 on eBay, so a pretty decent amount of profit. Or I might try to sell to my private buyer, but again, I got the $580 in cash 20s right here, so I'm gonna go pick that up right now. I think I'll be here in like 10 minutes, but I'll update you guys if I do buy the phone, show you it, and I'll let you know how the transaction goes. Hey guys, obviously I'm back home now. I just got back from that potential phone meetup, and you guys can tell if I did buy the phone, I'd probably have it here right now, but I did not end up buying it. So it's super frustrating. The guy like literally said he was 5 minutes away, and then I texted like 5-10 minutes later and just went to direct text message. I tried to call and it went directly to voicemail. but for some reason he tried to block me. Probably got a better offer, something like that. So today's honestly just been super frustrating for me. I ended up buying the phone, but it's nothing like I did yesterday. I mean, yesterday was like over $500 profit, which I hate to just see it go to waste. I mean, in a sense, the day after, but I mean, you're gonna have days like this in the industry, and it's tough on my position because I do this full time, and it is my full-time job. So anything that I don't make is not income, and anything I make is going towards my income. So it's hard to reach your goals when you're not hitting the numbers you want, but that just means I gotta go twice as hard tomorrow, which is perfectly fine. I love doing this, and I wouldn't be doing it full time if I didn't enjoy exactly what I do. So again, like if you guys are experiencing this, I know a lot of you will get frustrated with people like just barreling on you, and honestly, this is super frustrating for me because I've been here for a couple weeks now, and I've literally bought a phone every single day, had no problems with nobody showing up, and today I had 2 of them. So I'm literally only 2 in the same day, and the first day I'm vlogging my experience. So I wish I could give you more, but with that said, like this is why I'm making this series, showing you the ups and the downs. So I'm starting down, but hopefully I'm going to be rebounding tomorrow with hopefully I'd say 2 to 3 phones, which would make me super happy to help make up for today. So I definitely I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this whole entire day with me. Like again, this isn't the only one. I'm making this a series, so every single day it takes a lot of work to vlog these videos. So I'm just putting in the work. Everything I do, I try to vlog. So it's gonna take me a little bit, probably 2-3 hours to edit this video, just because I like to mess around with the exact audio and video and After Effects. I just want to get better at this whole thing. But again, if you made it to this far in the video, I definitely appreciate you. And pretty much just for the rest of the night, I pretty much every night I just kind of eat around. I'll just talk with some friends. I'll play Xbox a lot. You guys can see my setup there. Just a guilty pleasure of mine, but in this industry you can't do much, and I don't like to go out past like dark just because nothing happens good after that time. I just want to risk anything. So starting out fresh tomorrow, early tomorrow morning, probably around 6-7 a.m. start to put up some ads, but you guys will see that, everything like that. So again, thank you for joining me today. If you liked today's video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you're not in the family, hit that little subscription button down below. I truly appreciate the support. And with that said, I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.